In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually refresh your data in Power BI Desktop. Keeping your reports up to date is essential, and a manual refresh is the quickest way to pull in the latest information from your data sources while you're working. This is helpful when your underlying files or databases have changed, or when you've made adjustments to your queries and want to see the impact immediately in your visuals. Start by looking at the ribbon that runs across the top of Power BI Desktop. This is where all the main commands live. Make sure you're on the Home tab. It's usually selected by default when you open your report. The Home tab groups together the tools you use most often, and that's exactly where the refresh control is located, so you don't need to hunt through menus or switch views. Within the Home tab, find the section labeled Queries. In that section, you'll see the refresh button. Go ahead and click Refresh. That single click tells Power BI Desktop to connect to your data sources and retrieve the latest data based on the connections and transformations you've already set up. You don't need to redo your steps in Power Query or rebuild visuals. The refresh simply reruns your existing queries and updates your data model behind the scenes. If you're connected to multiple sources, Power BI will process them according to your query dependencies. For larger models or slower connections, expect this to take a bit longer, which is normal. After you click Refresh, you'll notice activity indicators. You may see a progress spinner in the status bar, a loading message, or notifications that data is being loaded and relationships are being applied. During this time, avoid making changes to your model, renaming fields, or editing visuals, as it's best to let the refresh finish cleanly. How long it takes depends on factors like the size of your data, network speed, and any transformations in your queries. When the refresh completes, your visuals will update to reflect the newest data. If any issues occur, such as a broken connection or a permission error, Power BI will show a message so you can review it later, and that's all there is to it. By using the Refresh button on the Home tab, you keep your Power BI desktop report current with a single, simple action. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, try a refresh the next time your source data changes to make sure your insights stay accurate.